In this video, we will guide how to add Follow Me rule in ICTPbx. First, log into ICTPbx portal as an admin or tenant by entering the email and password. Select the main menu PBX and then click on the sub-menu Follow Me. Click on the Add Follow Me button and you will be redirected to the Add Follow Me page. Select the extension to which Follow Me rule applies. Enter the caller ID name prefix and caller ID number prefix. Enable the Follow Me checkbox. Click on Add Destination button from the Destination tab. Select the extension and again click on Add Destination button if you want to add multiple extensions. After entering all the required information, click on Save button to save the Follow Me rule.